What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator, and here with some weekend Dollar Tree hauls. So let's go ahead and hop right into my haul. The first thing I have to share with you guys is a really nice find. This book by Will Taylor is titled Bright Bazaar, and it's quite a big book, and it is a hardback book. And I will definitely open up the book and share with you some pages from this book towards the end of the haul. Now, the next book I found is called In a Snap, and it's by the author Tammy Allgood. She is also the author of Farm Fresh Southern Cooking, and these are tasty Southern recipes in 5, 10, 15, or 30 minutes. Yet another great deal, another thick book, and I'll be thumbing through this towards the end of my haul as well. The next thing I found was this super cute decorative mesh, and this would be really cute if you're making an Easter wreath or if you want to decorate a basket. But one thing that really impressed me was that Dollar Tree offered 4 varieties of this. I really like this one a lot. This one starts with a blue at the top, and then it goes down to a yellow, a pink, a blue, a yellow, and a pink. They have other variations of this, where maybe it starts with a yellow and, you know, the color scheme is different. But I thought this was so pretty. And you get 6 inches by 5 yards. I think this is so pretty. I just had to have at least one roll. Lately, Dollar Tree has been putting out the cutest stickers. And these are some pop-up stickers, and you get 12 in a pack. If I would have seen another pack of these, I probably would have gone ahead and bought a second pack because these are just so pretty. You get the coconut, you get the little sign that says relax. We have a little camera with a little Polaroid picture. We have an airplane, we have a surfboard. We have the glasses, we have the soda. This says Happy Summer, kind of like a little bottle cap theme. We have the flip-flops, we have the suitcase, the flamingo, of course. And you guys will really like these because the colors are very soft, and it kind of looks a little bit mixed media where you're having layers of different patterns. And then there's this really soft dusting of iridescent glitter. It's sort of a yellow and greenish blue iridescent glitter, depending upon which sticker you're looking at. But I thought these were so gorgeous. I am really impressed with Dollar Tree stickers lately. So you guys, I tried to talk Birdie out of this, and I was like, do you really need one? Don't you have a few? But she said that there's certain apps that she likes to play where it really helps to use a stylus. So I went ahead and got it. And next I got this pack of 100% pure cotton rounds for my husband by Assured. This will be our first time trying these out. We had some from Family Dollar, and he said they fell apart, so I'm hoping these are just a little bit stronger. Guess what, you guys? I found the missing piece to the display. If you guys watched last week's haul, I have the pretty stickers from this line and the 2 paper pads. This week I was able to find the pineapple with the sort of copperish foil design on the front. It's super cute, and you get 50 pages of paper. And next, you guys, we got a new turtle cold pack because we had a couple of these get damaged somehow. They had a little hole in the side, and I saw this turtle. I thought it was cute. There really wasn't much variety of these in the Dollar Tree that I found them in, but I thought the turtle was cute enough, so I got one turtle. Who loves cactus? You guys know I love cactus. So I saw these stamps, and yes, I had to get both packs. I love them so much. I wanted to share them with you guys just one more time. If you haven't seen them yet, don't give up because they are super cute and worth the wait. I love that. Love Grows, Stuck on You. We have a few different varieties. We even have the little cactus garden. I think these are so adorable, and I really love all the stamps from Ready Set Stamp. I thought these would be perfect, you guys, so that everyone could have their own paint palette, and now we have more than one, so I'll probably even use one. I thought these would be cute for lots of different painting adventures as well as nail art adventures. Look what I found, you guys. I found the missing link to the unicorn trio. This pretty girl has pink and red hair. I think she's so gorgeous with her silver horn and pink and red hair. I want to show you guys the others so that you could see the difference between the three. Now this one has more of a orange, red, and pink hair, and she has the iridescent shimmer horn. She's so pretty too. And last but not least, we have the pretty golden horned unicorn. She has lilac and purple hair. As you guys can see here, there is a slight difference. So thanks to everyone who shared that in the comments. So now I have all three pretty unicorns. You guys already know how I feel about this chicken broth. This is something that I will constantly buy. Many times in the past I've shown this, and I usually don't show it from week to week because this is definitely a staple that I get on a regular basis. Another product that's an absolute staple is this, and you guys again know how I feel about this. I think it smells great, works great, I love it. LA's Totally Awesome Oxygen Cleaner. It's a base cleaner. I run some water in the washing machine. I put this in before putting in my laundry detergent, and I love it. I want to open it up so you guys can see what it looks like. It also comes with a little scooper. Sometimes the scooper is little, and sometimes the scooper is big. This time I got a little scooper, but sometimes you'll get a scooper with a really long handle. This stuff smells amazing, you guys. I really love it. And here were the sunglasses I was telling you guys about from last week that Gator picked out. These were up by the register. He also picked out a pair in bright blue, but I brought one of my favorite squishies in here to model the glasses for you, you guys. Isn't she so cute? I love her so much, and she smells like baby powder. And next I have this tree lugger by Matchbox. Gator loves it. He didn't come along on the last trip to Dollar Tree, so I figured I'd get him a little surprise. Gator really loves unique vehicles, so he instantly fell in love with this one. Let's go ahead and take a sneak peek into Bright Bazaar. Okay, now let's take a sneak peek into In a Snap. So we have skillet beef and vegetables, garden fresh chicken stir fry, New Orleans French onion soup, keep it a secret mac and cheese, spiced potato crusted catfish, yum, cornmeal crusted chicken, maple butter squash, crab and corn salad with lemon basil dressing, fried zucchini chips, pecan pimento cheese, walnut broccoli, watermelon and cantaloupe salsa. That sounds so refreshing. I think this is going to be a really great cookbook. Again, this is also going to be a gift, so I was super excited to find both of these books at Dollar Tree. And last but not least is this coconut shea butter scented body wash. Now, at first glance, I thought this was the grapefruit scent that I really don't care for, but I love the tropical scent. You guys have seen it, the orange one, because it reminds me of Sweet Pea from Bath & Body Works. But I smelled this, and you guys, I was like, I have to get this. It smells so good. I let Birdy smell it, and she liked it too. plus you get 28% more. Well, hey you guys, that's it for my Dollar Tree haul, but I wanted to grab one of my other favorite little squishies that I got from Banggood, and I wanted to just share it with you guys. Birdie and I are still loving our orange, our lemon, our strawberry, and our pineapple squishies, but we are looking forward to finding the new spring and summer squishies at Dollar Tree for just $1 because we think they are amazing quality, really comparable quality to this panda from Banggood. And if you guys love squishy hauls, please check out some of my squishy hauls here on my channel. I'll probably be showing more in the future. And again, I really love the Dollar Tree squishies as well as Banggood squishies. I think they are just so nice for $1. I am super impressed. But anyways, you guys, that's going to be it for me. I'm going to be filming more hauls for you. So get ready for maybe a few days of hauls. And I have a lot of cute stuff to share with you guys. So I'm really excited about it. I hope you guys tune in, and I hope you turn on the notification bell so that you can know every time I put out a new video. But all right, you guys, if you like this video, please go ahead and hit the thumbs up button. Share with me down in the comments below. And if you haven't yet, hit that little button and subscribe. Well, all right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye.